Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot Realme 16 Pro 5G. Okay, the process is really easy. All we need to do is to launch the power menu, and we do it by holding the power key. So hold it for around 1 second, and as you take a look, the power menu appeared. Now all you need to do is to grab this white ball using your finger and then place it on the restart function, and now release your finger. Now our device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again, and the device will be ready to use. Also, I will tell you that rebooting your device from time to time is good for your device's health, because basically during that process our phone rests, we can call it that way, and also the RAM gets freed up, so that is why it's worth doing from time to time. And also, for example, if your device is lagging, it's not responsive sometimes, certain apps doesn't want to launch, that's also the moment when you can perform a reboot and everything should working properly. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.